KTM has always been a major player in the motorcycle world, and 2025 looks to be another exciting year for the Austrian brand. After a highly successful 2024, KTM is gearing up to release a range of updated and new models across various segments, from adventure bikes to supermotos and even electric motorcycles. In this video, we'll explore every major KTM bike that will hit the streets in 2025 and discuss the key upgrades and innovations that riders can expect. First, let's talk about KTM's flagship adventure bikes, the 1390 Adventure range. For 2025, KTM has updated its adventure lineup with 3 models, the R, S, and S Evo. All of these bikes now feature a more rigid frame and are powered by a 1,350 cubic centimeters engine that delivers a massive 171 horsepower and 145 Nm of torque. The R model, known as the flagship, offers a new LED headlight design and a traditional suspension setup, ideal for those who prefer a more familiar riding experience. Meanwhile, the S Evo is the most advanced of the bunch, featuring KTM's new automated manual transmission for smooth shifting. Whether you're looking for traditional or cutting-edge technology, the 1390 Adventure lineup has something for everyone, and these models are set to hit dealerships early in 2025. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, the KTM 790 Adventure continues into 2025 with a few updates. While the 790 didn't see major changes, the suspension system has been tweaked. It now comes with WP Apex suspension, which offers better performance compared to the previous model. The 799 cubic centimeters engine continues to produce 94 horsepower, making this a great option for those who want an adventure bike without breaking the bank. Another exciting release is the KTM SXF range, which gets refreshed versions of the 250 SXF and 450 SXF. These bikes are part of KTM's off-road racing heritage, and the 2025 factory editions are designed to mimic the Red Bull KTM factory racing team's championship-winning machines. Both models are equipped with WP suspension, new Akrapovic mufflers, and quick shifter transmissions. With a redesigned frame and improved suspension, the 250 and 450 SXF factory editions are built to perform at the highest levels, making them perfect for riders who want to dominate the track. For those who enjoy hardcore adventure and off-road racing, the KTM 890 Adventure R also gets a few improvements for 2025. While not drastically changed, the bike features upgraded suspension and a more comfortable ride, perfect for serious off-road enthusiasts. It's powered by a 103 horsepower engine and comes with a WP Splore fork and a PDS shock, making it an ideal bike for tackling difficult terrains. In the naked bike segment, KTM is pushing the boundaries with the 2025 990 Duke R. This Punisher is an absolute beast, powered by a 947 cubic centimeters engine that delivers 128 horsepower. The 990 Duke R is fitted with the impressive WP Apex suspension system, and its frame and wheels are borrowed from the 1390 Super Duke R, giving it a high-performance edge. It's available in a striking white bodywork with matte black and orange accents, making it not only powerful but visually stunning too. But KTM's 2025 lineup isn't all about traditional gas-powered motorcycles. The brand has been making strides in the electric motorcycle space as well. The 2025 Freeride E, an electric off-road bike, promises an even better experience than before, thanks to an upgraded 5.5 kWh lithium-ion battery. It offers up to 3 hours of enduro riding, a 20% improvement over the previous model. This makes it a great option for riders who want to experience the thrill of enduro without the noise and emissions of a gas engine. KTM's 2025 lineup also includes updated versions of their motocross bikes, including the SX and SXF models, which are now even more ready to race than before. These models are equipped with new frames, better suspension, and updated components. Additionally, the 2025 450 SMR Supermoto bike has been significantly revamped to include a new frame, a more advanced suspension system, and a new swing arm. For the hardcore enduro riders, the KTM 300 EXC Hard Enduro and 450 Rally Replica are two models that stand out. The 300 EXC, inspired by world champion Manuel Lettenbichler's bike, is designed for ultimate ruggedness and performance, while the 450 Rally Replica is a limited edition model that offers extreme off-road capabilities, perfect for serious rally racers. These bikes come with enhanced suspension and engines that can handle the toughest conditions. In conclusion, KTM is clearly focused on continuing its dominance in 2025 with a wide range of motorcycles that cater to every rider's needs, from adventure bikes and race machines to electric off-road bikes. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for top-tier performance or a beginner on a budget, KTM has a bike for you. As these models start to hit dealerships in early 2025, it's clear that KTM's future is as bright as ever.